Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anisra Rahma, and today I'm going to present my topic, ensuring business success through communication and the relationship between language and culture. This presentation will discuss how communication and cultural understanding are essential key to achieving success in global business. Introduction. Why is communication important? Effective communication is the using technique that drives business success. It's not just about talking, it's about making sure your message is received, understood, and extended upon correctly. Adler, R.B. Rosenfeld, L.B., and Proctor, R.V. 2018. Interplay. The process of interpersonal communication. 14. Oxford University Press. The foundation of clarity. Good communication eliminates guesswork and reduces conflict. Mistakes. When instructions are clear and expectations are set, every team member knows their role. Building strong relationships. Internally, it fosters team collaboration, trust, and a positive culture. Externally, it builds rapport and credibility with clients and partners, turning transaction into long-term alliances. Fueling decision making. When information flows freely and accurately, both up and down the highway, leaders can make informed, timely discussion, boosting productivity. Clear communication is efficient. Communication it minimizes time wasted on correction or clarification ambiguous message, thus directly improving overall organizational productivity. Keaton G. 2017. Communication and organizational culture, a key understanding work experience, SIG publication. Communication is often called the using technique that drives business success. It's not only about speaking, but about making sure our message is received, understood, and acted upon correctly. Good communication eliminates guesswork, reduces mistakes, and helps every team member understand their roles correctly. It also builds trust and collaboration inside the company and create long-term relationship with client and partner. When information flows clearly and accurately, leaders can make faster and between discussion. According to Adler et al. 2018 and Keaton 2017. Effective communication is directly linked to productive teamwork and strong organizational culture. Pillar of successful business communication: clarity and accuracy. The message keeps it simple. The message must be easy to understand and unambiguous. Avoid unnecessary jargon or overly complex sentence. Get your fact right. Ensure all data, figures, and detail in your communication are accurate and reliable. Have Harvard Professional Development 2024 a signal factual error can undermine your credibility. Active listening, the reservoir focus than just wait to talk. This means giving your full concretion to the speaker. Don't interrupt or formulate your response while they are speaking. Understand needs. Active listening is crucial for genuinely grasping the needs, concerns, and underlying motivation of your client, colleagues, or partners. There are two of effective communication: clarity and effective listening. First, clarity and clarity. Always keep your message simple and factual. Avoid using complex language or jargon, and always double check your data before sharing it. Always as staged by Harvard Professional Development 2004. As even small factual mistake can make your credibility. Second, active listening. This means fully focusing on the speaker instead of waiting for your turn to talk. Be practicing active listening. We can thoroughly understand others' needs, concerns, and motivation, making communication more meaningful and effective. The heart of global business: language and culture. In the global era, language and culture are inseparable. Phil and Mohalshal 2006 BLC. Spine: language more than just translation. It is a break to deeper understanding. Mastering the local language is essential for building trust and rapport with international partners. Culture shape how people think, behave, and communicate. Culture influences business etiquette, negotiation style, and discussion making. In today's globalized business world, language and culture are inseparable. Language is not just about translation. It's bridge to deeper understanding. When you can speak your your partner. Language you're not just communication words, but also showing interest. Meanwhile, culture shapes how people think, behave, and make discussion. As Phil and Mohausler 2006, culture influences business etiquette, negotiation style, and communication patterns. For example, how we say no, how we handle slides, or how we build relationship can differ greatly across cultures. Cultural dimension in communication. Cultural difference that affect business communication device to 2002. High contact culture. Messages are conveyed implicitly, indirectly, and highly dependent on nonverbal context and personal relationship. Example, Japan, ASEAN countries. Example, understanding no with it being explicitly stated. Low context culture messages are conveyed explicitly, directly, and focus on written or spoken words. Example, German, United States. Example, street punctuality and agendas. Business implication, failure to anticipate and adapt to this different can lead to misunderstanding and business failure. Cardone 2018. Not least look at cultural dimension in communication. According to Edward Hall, 1976, and Cardone 2018, there are two main cultural types: high context and low context cultures. In high context cultures such as Japan or Indonesia, messages are often indirect and really heavily on non-verbal cues of context. For example, people might avoid saying no directly to maintain harmony. Meanwhile, in low context culture, like the United States or German, people value direct, clear communication and punctuality. If we fail to understand this difference, miscommunication can easily happen in business interaction. Cross-cultural communication strategies for success. Reduce misunderstanding and enhance collaboration. Navigate GW 2020. Intercultural communication, a contextual approach 6. Publication, language and cultural training, investing in training for employees who interact global BLC Spain. Increase cultural awareness, understand the norms, etiquette, and communication style of business partners. Clear and simple communication, use straightforward language, avoid jargon, and provide concrete example. With case WeBe and Kim Yi 2017 communication with strangers and approach to intellectual communication routledge. So how can we communicate effective across cultural? First, invest in language and cultural training. This helps employees understand cultural norms and communication style when working with global partners. Second, increase cultural awareness. Know how your business partners create, negotiate, or express agreement. Third, always use clear and simple communication. Avoid idioms or slang that may be confusing for non-native speaker. As Good Dickens and Kim 2017 and Newlip 2020 emphasize cultural competence and intercultural awareness are essential for avoiding misunderstanding and building global cooperation. Conclusion and actionable step-tasi data. Business success in today's interconnected world requires a dual focus, excellent communication and cultural intelligence. Thomas D. C. and Ixon 2017. Cultural intelligence, surviving and thriving in the global village. Barrett Kohler published. Effective communication is the internal agent. Ensures smooth operation, strong teams, and efficient discussion making. Cross-cultural understanding is the global compass. It includes international opportunities with trust with diverse partners and prevent choicely diplomatic errors. Don't let the insight remain theoretical. Here are their immediate action your organization can take. Early PC and Mosokowski E. 2004. Cultural Intelligence, Harvard Business Review 8210. Mandate cross-cultural training. Invest in the program that teach your employees not just language basic but not verbal. 2. And cultural etiquette, how to conduct meeting in high context versus low contact environments. Champion active listening. Incorporate active listening as a core performance metric. Encourage them to summarize and confirm understanding before taking action to reduce miscommunication. To conclude, successful business today must combine effective communication and cross-cultural understanding. Communication ensures smooth teamwork and discussion making, while cultural intelligence helps build trust and open international opportunity. Here are the actions your organization can take immediately. 1. Immediate course cultural training for employees, focusing not only on language but also on etiquette and nonverbal communication. 2. Promote active listening in all meetings and collaboration. 3. Encourage clarity and empathy in every level of communication. As Thomas and Ingson 2070 mentioned, cultural intelligence is the compass that guides global business toward success. References: hosted dimensionalizing cultures, the half-stage model in context. Online reading is psychology and culture. Spencer Ouday. Cultural speaking, cultural communication and politeness theory. Bloomsbury. Adler. Interplay, the process of interpersonal communication of Oxford University Press. Caton G. Communication and organizational culture, a key to understanding work experience. Seek publication. Complete, communicating for managerial effectiveness, problem strategies, solution. Seek publication. Robbins. Organizational behavior, personality, beyond culture, Anchor books. Crumbs. Language and Culture Oxford University Press. Hosted G. Cultural and organization software of the mind championers. Reading the Webs of Culture, Understanding Diversity in Global Business. Nicholas Braley Publishing. Good Quiz. Communicating with strangers and approach to intercultural communication. Routledge. Knowledge. Intercultural communication, a contextual approach. Seek publication. Publish. Part 2. Case Study and Analysis Project. Case Study 1. Cultural Barriers Analysis. This case involves employees from Indonesia, German, and Japan, who experience communication breakdown due to difference in cultural norms and communication style. According to Hofstede cultural dimension theory, individual versus collectivism, Indonesia 14 and Japan 48 and 6 are collectivist cultures that value group harmony, while German 67 is individual and value independence, power, distance. Indonesia 78 and Japan 54 tend to respect hybrid, while German 35 prefers quietly in communication. And critically, avoid Japan's 92 prefers structure and planning, while Indonesia 48 is more inflexible based on Edward Hart context theory. Japan and Indonesia are high context culture. Messages are often implicit and indirect. German is low context. Communication is direct, explicit, and efficient. According to Hofstede's cultural dimension theory, there are several key factors that cause misunderstanding. Individual versus collectivism. Indonesia and Japan are collectivist culture that value group harmony, while German is individual and value independence, power, distance. Indonesia and Japan respect hierarchy, while German prefers equality and open discussion. Currently, offense. Japan prefers structure and planning, while Indonesia is more flexible. From Edward Halt's context theory, we can also see that Japan and Indonesia are high context culture, where German is a low context culture, preferring direct and explicit message. Case study 1: cultural variance. Here are the main cultural variants for direct versus indirect communication. Germans speak very openly, while Indonesia and Japan tends to avoid confrontation, silence, and harmony. For Indonesia and Japan, silence means politeness, but German might interpret silence as a German angry man. Power distinction. ASEAN members hesitate with superiors, while German expects of feedback. Okay, to overcome the barriers, several strategies can be applied. 1. Cultural awareness training. Conduct workshop to introduce cultural communication style. Clear meeting protocol. Use written summaries and confirmation coalition to avoid confusion. Team building activities. Build informal trust between team members. Conclusion. In conclusion, combining German directions, Japan's discipline, and Indonesia harmony can create strong and more effective teamwork. Case Study 2. Cross-cultural communication for business. Analysis. The failure covered two cultural difference in marketing communication based on hashtag individual dimension. Indonesia. 14 is collectivity, embracing family warmth and together trends. Most European countries, UK 89, German 67, are individuals fueling independence, professionalism, and logic. According to health context theory, Indonesia and are high content relying on emotional strolling and implying meaning European aids are low context prevent fake data and direct product information. Basis of host state individual dimension. Indonesia collect visit emphasizing warmth, family and emotional connection. Meanwhile, countries like the UK and German are individualists following professionalism, independence, and logic. According to how context theory, Indonesian and advertisements are high context, meaning the really on emotion and storytelling. European advertisements are low context, focusing on fake data and clear product information. Case Study 2. Cross-cultural communication for business. According to NICE research 2023, emotional and first thing work 40% better in Asia, while retinol advertising work 35% better in Europe. This showed that family warmth themes common in Indonesia ads are less applying to Europa audience who prefer simple, factual message about product quickly. Therefore, to success in Europe, the company should when localize contents, focus on product design, sustainability, and Europa lifestyle. 2. Use visual minimalism. Clean design, natural colors, and simple taglines. 3. Highlight quickly cartographic example. For example, eco-friendly wood from sustainably forests. 4. Collaborate with Europa influence to build trust. In conclusion, cultural adoption is key to successful global marketing. Case study 3. Nonverbal communication analysis. The third case discuss nonverbal communication difference, focusing on Arab and American cultures. Based on Edward Hall nonverbal communication theory. High contact cultures such as Arab cultures as close distance, long eye contact, and physical warmth. Low contact cultures such as the US use larger distance, shorter eye contact, and focus on time even since. In terms of chronotypes, Arab are polytronic. They view time as flexible and prioritize relationship. Americans are monochronic. They value punctuality and schedule. According to 2021 Cambridge Business Communication study, 72% of Middle Eastern professionals value relationship building before doing, while 81% of American prioritize efficiency and management. Conclusion: nonverbal communication greatly affect business success. Respecting gesture, distance, and time perception strengthens relationship. Okay. References: Hell ed. Beyond Culture. Hashtag Insight. Country Comparison. Indonesia, Japan, German. User Mayer. The Culture Map. Nasal Research. Global at emphasizing effectiveness, Gambrian University's press cultural business communication. That's all for my presentation today. Thank you for attention, and I hope this topic helped you realize how communication and culture together can ensure business success. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.